Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to antique slash stain concrete, driveway, patio, whatever you're looking to freshen up. Maybe you're a DIYer, your concrete patio just doesn't have the shine it used to, or maybe you're a concrete tradesman like me just looking to add to things you can do to your portfolio. It's truly amazing what you can do to a concrete slab. This is actually a slab I poured last year. So first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to power wash the slab, make sure it's clean, and then you're going to take a gallon of mineral spirits, and make sure when you do clean the slab, make sure if you have any rust stains, oil stains, you can just take some soap and water and try to scrub those out. The antique, the powder will somewhat cover it up. So you're going to dump the whole gallon of mineral spirits into the jug. That you can basically get anywhere, Lowe's, Home Depot, Ace. Then you're going to take your antique or color, wherever you got. You're going to want to get a measuring cup, about a 3/4 cup to every gallon. You can mix multiple colors together. On the border, I actually mixed the brown and the gray together. For the middle, I just did the gray. So you're going to want to make sure you're happy with the color. You can play with it. There's just unlimited options you can do when it comes to coloring or revamping your old concrete, or even some concrete you just poured. Maybe you might use a liquid release. You can always come back with mineral spirits and powder later, and do it that way. And it's a pretty cheap, cost-effective way to do it. Alright, so once you get all your powder in, you're going to want to screw the cap back on. And then you're going to want to shake it up really good. Even as you're spraying, you're going to want to continually shake the sprayer as you spray, because the powder will settle to the bottom. And that antiquing powder or release, you're gonna want to go to like a local building supply place. They'll have a lot of options. And then you're just going to want to spray it on lightly. And you can do multiple coats. You can kind of just spray it on until you kind of think you have it like you like it. It will dry very fast. You can spray it on, wait 5 minutes, spray another coat on if you like. Keep in mind, what it looks like sprayed on is going to look completely different once the sealer gets on. Once the sealer gets on, it really pops all the antique, all the release. You can get a high gloss sealer, really give it that shine. You can either roll the sealer on or spray it on. I suggest spraying the sealer on first, and then if you want to do a second coat, rolling it on. Or what I do, I usually just spray the sealer on thick, and that's your best bet. So like I said, you're just gonna walk around the slab, spraying it on lightly, just kind of getting it to where you're comfortable with it, what you're happy with it. And here's just kind of like a little aerial view. I am spraying gray on gray in this, so it's not going to make a huge difference compared to the top. It was a gray, and I actually did a charcoal and a red, so that was a pretty big difference in color. And now here it is, all sealed, all shined up, and just really popping, and really made the colors pop. It's just incredible the life you can bring back to the slab. You can see all the antiquing, all the color, and it was just turned out very nice. So thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, give it a like.